Hi, this video is about the Nova folding seat cane that's also adjustable. I love this product because you can use it as a cane, but also as a seat. That way, anywhere you go, you've got a seat by your side, and that makes life so much more comfortable and so much more convenient. All right, so this seat cane is adjustable, so you can adjust the seat height by adjusting the legs, and it's so easy. You just push this button to adjust the legs to your desired height, and you just want to make sure that all three legs have the exact same height. All right, so to open up the seat cane, it's so easy. We've got this clamp in the back to keep it nice and closed, and to open it up, you certainly release that clip and then just push down on the back seat to open it up. And this seat is about a 10-inch width. All right, so sitting on the seat cane is really important because it's all about safety. So you only want to sit on the seat cane in a straddled position, like this. So you want to be holding on the handle and have it in a straddled position. Never sit on the seat cane like this or on an uneven surface. So the seat cane also comes with a convenient soft grip handle, and then to fold it up, you simply pull up on the back and then it just closes and locks into place. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.